Hi everyone. Today we are discussing Music Theory in Practice by Eric Taylor, Grade 1. If you're unsure which book I'm referring to, it's this one, the Red Book. This has been taught in the UK for as long as I can remember, and today we will be looking at bar lines and time signatures, which is on page 5 in the book. Now on page 4, there are time values. I haven't discussed this here, assuming that you already know them. But just in case you don't, I will give you a quick review here. Essentially, it's these rhythms. This rhythm here is a quaver, and it's half a beat. This one is a crotchet, and it's 1 beat. This one is a minim, 2 beats. This is a dotted minim, 3 beats. Semi-breve, 4 beats. Those are the rhythms we have. So if we scroll up, the first exercise is, what are these lines called? The lines here. These are called bar lines, and the function of a bar line is to separate the bars. That's it, really. So we know when we play a piece of music or we're reading anything that we are in bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, or bar 4. So I'm going to write bar line here. Next question. What is this pair of lines called? This is called a double bar line. A double bar line indicates the end of a piece. It's like a full stop, or in American, a period. By the way, I will be using, not exclusively, but mainly British terminology because I'm in the UK and this is how I teach. I'll try to incorporate American terms as best I can in this video and in future videos as well. Here we have a brief explanation. At the beginning of a piece of music, you can see 2 numbers, for example, 2/4, 3/4, or 4/4. What are these numbers called? They're called time signature. Time signature. In directions such as 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, what does the top number tell you? It tells you the number of beats in a bar. So 2/2 means you have 2 beats in a bar. 2/4 means you have 2 beats in a bar. 3/4, 3 beats in a bar. 4/4, 4 beats in a bar. What does the bottom number tell you? The type of rhythm of each beat. So let's say the rhythmical value of each beat. So 4 is a crotchet. If it was 2, it would be a minim. 1, which is very rare and it's mainly theoretical, would be a semi-breve. If it was 8, it would be a quaver. Next, what is the full meaning of 2/4? 2 crotchets. No idea why I've capitalized that. 2 crotchets in a bar. 3/4, full meaning. 3 crotchets in a bar. If you haven't understood this, please comment in the comment section and I'll try to explain, or it might inspire me to do a different video explaining these in detail. Write the sign which could be used instead of 4/4. That is C, which is common time. I'm just going to write this in brackets. Okay. Next one is adding notes under these asterisk marks to complete the bar. Oh, we don't want that. So let's just do this. All right, this one. So we're in 2/4. We have a crotchet, which is 1 beat. We need another beat. And we're going to take this crotchet and drop it here. That makes it 2 beats in that bar. We need 2 beats in the next bar as well. So we have 1.5, 1 half, another half. We need a quaver. We'll take the quaver and drop it here. Now that's 1 beat and another beat, 2 beats. Here, 3/4, we need 3 beats in a bar. We have 2 beats here. What we need is another crotchet to make it 3 beats. There we are. Minim, crotchet, 3. Oh, I need to remove this. So here, we have 1 beat here. We need something else. It's just this minim that I dragged down there and put it back here. Next one is 4/4. We have a minim here. We need 2 more beats, but because we have only 1 asterisk, we're just going to use 1 rhythmical value. So we could theoretically put 2 crotchets here, but because we have only 1 of these marks, we're going to use 1 rhythmical value. That would be a minim. Minim here. So I have 2 beats here and 2 beats here. That's a minim. Here we have 2 beats, 1 beat here, and a half beat here. That's 3.5. We need another half to make it 4, don't we? 3.5. There we are. Here we have 2 beats. We need 1 rhythmical value that contains 2 beats. That would be a minim. Place the minim here. We need a full bar that contains 4 beats. And we're going to use a semibreve there. Next one, 4/4. Again, we have 1 beat here and 1 beat here in this bar. So we have, so we need 2 beats. That's a minim. Ideally, if you're writing this in your books, you need to make sure this stem is the same length as the other stems. I can't do it here because it's a bit awkward with these symbols. All right, next one here. Again, 4/4. We have 2 beats here, 1 here. That's 3, 3.5. We need another half. Half a beat is a quaver. I'll put this quaver here. Try to make it so it's in line with the other notes. 1 beat, 1 beat, 2. A half here, a half here. That is 3 beats. We need a crotchet to turn this into 4 beats. Crotchets here, a minim here, 3 beats. We need another crotchet there. It's 4 beats in each bar. Okay. Add the time signature at the beginning of each line. Here is where we add the time signature. Got this example here. They've written 2/4, and then we have 4 bars. So here we're going to count. We're going to try and look at the easiest bar to analyze. Maybe this first one. So we have 2 minims. 2 minims is 4 beats. So we have 4 beats, and each one of those beats are a crotchet. So that's what we've learned so far. 4, 4. Here, let's take this bar, which is the easiest bar here. Still exercise 6B. 3 beats, 3 crotchets in a bar. So that would be 3/4. There. Okay, next one. You can take either this one, or if you wanted to make it really difficult for yourself, you could just try and analyze this one. This would be one beats here, one beats here, another one here, making it 3, 4. Taking this and putting it here, 3, 4. And it's a bit more visible, common time. And yeah, here it is. So again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Have a good day.